I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Plug them in or confirm charge above 50%, then keep the Apple Watch and new iPhone close together. Make sure you're signed into iCloud on the new iPhone with the same Apple ID and turn on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Once done, unpair the watch from the old iPhone if you still have it. Unpairing automatically creates a backup. This backup is why you unpair. It preserves watch settings and app data for a smooth transfer. You now open the watch app on the new iPhone and tap Pair New Watch. Point the iPhone camera at the animated pattern on the watch to establish the link. When prompted, choose Restore from Backup so your previous settings, faces, and health data return. This saves time versus setting up as new. Make sure you enter your Apple ID and any required passwords. Create or confirm a watch passcode, and enable location and Face ID or Touch ID when asked so continuity and security features work correctly. You finish by letting the watch complete its sync. This can take minutes to an hour depending on apps and data size, so be patient and keep both devices near each other. Re-enable Apple Pay by adding cards again and review notification and privacy settings to match your preferences. This ensures continuity and accurate tracking. If something goes wrong, try restarting both devices, toggling Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, or resetting network settings. If pairing still fails, erase the watch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.